everyone! In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to add custom fonts to Canva in the easiest and simplest way possible. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, a quick note before getting into this. You'll need a Canva Pro. The free trial won't cut it, so head over to Plans and Pricing to upgrade to Canva Pro. The first way to add your custom font is by going to the left-hand side, clicking on Brand Hub. Scroll down to find Fonts. Click on Add New and simply upload your font file from your desktop. And that's it. The second method involves going to the Canva home board. Open a design, click on any font, and then click on the font option at the top. Scroll down to upload a font and click on it. And upload your font file. Remember, Canva Pro is a must for this. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to upload custom fonts to Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.